Alright guys, so we're going to clean this carb today. If you've got to clean a carb on any two-stroke power equipment, this is what I do. It's a wall bow one, this is. I said mainly like wall bow or Zama. Tillot's on the good as well, the Irish carb they are. So just take this top off here. Oh, it's awkward not being in the camera. I did too much in the way. Just take that off. Sometimes you've got to watch the pressure to push on the idle screw there. So push it back a bit with your finger. Take that off. Screws off. I'll do another video on diaphragms. But see that screen in there? This is, I bet you this is the most common thing if you've got a fuel problem. Is that's blocked. See a very fine screen over there? Get the camera tidy. See where the point is there? That screen there, that comes in the new kit. The amount of times I've taken these apart, and that's all it is that's blocked. So put your point in there, and just grab the sides. It's not very pointy this, obviously. Just fries it out. See it there? My finger. That's a brand new one, so it is clean. But all it is wash them. Be honest with you, we shouldn't do it, but sometimes I'll just chuck them away. If they're that bad, just chuck them away until and order a new carb kit until you're doing it, until it comes. I've run a machine, plenty of machines without it there, but you have a chance after of it blocking up then. But that's what it is. It catches any shit before it goes through and blocks the main jets and all that. Alright, so I bet you these will be the first thing to the problem. To clean them out, and you'll be surprised. Like, nobody clear there, is it? I don't know why. Look at this camera, that light in there. Can you see it there better? Delicate little things. And also, if you can, do it all in a tray like this. Just an oven tray, catch any bits in. But that's the first thing, I guarantee you, that they'd block. So, you've got that off now, this side. Let's take the other side off. 4 screws on this side. Put them to one side there. Try not to be in the way of the camera. Get these 4 screws out. My trusty snap-on screwdriver, there we are. Brilliant they are. I've had them for many years. But like I said, that's the beauty of working in a tray, because you're not going to lose no bits. Take this off, dry them off. This is a meter in diaphragm, yeah. It's a good sign sometimes when they dry in there, when they're leaking and all that. Well, obviously be wet. They do stick. You be careful pulling them off. It's only a demonstration carb anyway, it's just all carbs they had. So let's take that off there. I should have built these up as well, in case you forget. So I take this out, the screw here. This is what holds your. I don't see very clear. I don't know why it's not very clear. So watch this back. Slacken this off. Hold it with your finger. Don't fly everywhere. Should use a little screwdriver. You're not going to take it all the way out. Just slacken it a bit. This will come out then. Spring. You can take that little bar out. Pop it all onto your hand, and the jet will come out as well. See here? So you've got the jet and a spring. I said that's the beauty of in there. So that's all I do. Clean them out like that. And then with your spray, but I put some glasses on. Put some gloves on. Give them a good clean out then. With the old carb cleaner. Especially with the nozzle on like this. But like I said, watch it, because it'll shoot. So I spray in into the holes. Good sign, you see it's coming straight out, straight through. That's just the impulse line, this one. I still do it as well to make sure. I just pretty much go through everything. Down inside your main one there. You want to see it, well, you can see daylight through it anyway. That's what you want. I put this behind there. You see daylight by. There we are. See? So that's okay. But, so that's the obvious one. You can see straight through that. Just quickly go through each one, whatever's there. Blow a bit through them. Like I said, it's good stuff. But watch your eyes. They can blow back. Well, it does blow out. Blows in your face. Blow a bit through each thing. There's nothing on this side, just that main one. Just give it a general clean as well sometimes. Down, clean them off. That's all I do. Like I said, if that was dirty, I'd clean the screen as well. Definitely that screen is the main thing. Give them a wipe then. A bit of paper roll, towel. I guess it's quite clean anyway. Before I'd really dirty carb. Sometimes I clean the carb off. Well, I would clean the carb off before I even stripped it down. Otherwise, all them bits, dirt, could go into it like maybe more trouble than you start off with then. So clean the carb first. That's my advice. Clean all the bits up. Yeah, I did put a diaphragm in this. I remember that blue one. At some time, must have changed. Right, put them back together now. These gloves off, I can't work. All the small stuff. But definitely carb cleaner. Sometimes I use compressed air on a gun, but they reckon that's not the right way. But I like the carb cleaner because if there's something blocked in there, it'll eat it there as well. Good luck with it. So this one, let's put it back together first. Before myself, yeah. This is the awkward bit. Putting these springs back in and holding it all. I put the spring down in there. Balance it in there. So it's just balance in there. Balance it in there. Right, awkward. Sometimes I put it onto the needle onto there, and then just drop it down in. I landed pretty good then. Alright. It's fiddly, it's definitely fiddly. Try not to watch it on spring out, that spring. That's the problem. You could lose that spring so easy. And you tighten that screw back up. There is a tool you can buy on eBay that tells you, but you should be flush across there with the metered in lever there. That should be flush. I have got a book and it tells you what to look for. But that should be flush. Across there is flush. But I said you can buy a gauge that goes across different types of carb and it tells you where they should be touching. Press it then to make sure it is working on the spring. So yeah, I don't know if it's very clear or not. It's supposed to be a good camera. Anyway, so that's back on there. Like I said, I'm just cleaning out on this one. Putting the diaphragms back on then. That's right. On this one it goes gasket side down. If this did come apart, it's a little thin diaphragm on there. You put gasket side down on this side, on the metered inside. Alright, gasket side down. And let's put them up together then. Don't matter where this goes with the hole, the side there, that's just a vent. Put your screws back in. A bit clumsy on my hands today. Don't know why. Put the screws back in. Could use a little impact gun for winding these if I wanted to. Just run these in quick. Don't over tighten them because you could distort the plate. Just nib them up. that side. That's just the impulse line there. The other way around, one or the other. Or that one. Anyway, put this back in your screen. Just drop that back down in, push him so he goes down to the bottom. That's all it is. This then is like your valves really. They touch down on the holes, these bits per here. So look for the holes the way it lines up. There it is there. Alright. Like I said, when you're putting this on then, this is the only awkward bit. Sometimes I just turn it and hold it there with your finger. See my thumb? It's holding a bit there. Drop that on. That's on there. Alright. You can put the gasket, the diaphragm on this if you want. It's easier to do it that way. Whichever way. Just tighten them up. And that looks pretty clean carb. Let's say if something broke inside, no, might need a new carb or diaphragm kit. But that's just a quick clean, how to clean your carburetor out. But like I said, 9 times out of 10, if you've got a problem and it hasn't been done for years, I bet is that the screen, the filter, like a really fine way it goes. Alright, so help someone out, but that's the first thing I do, and that's how I clean a carburetor out. Like I said, I do lots of carburetors. I will get an ultrasonic tank in the future, to be honest though, just to drop them in and really clean them out like. But up until now, and what I've ever done, I've used the carb cleaner and compressed air sometimes, but the carb cleaner will do it, no problem. Alright, thanks. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers.